Rainforest deforestation.
Habitat
Loss.
go.
The rainforest is one of the most biodiverse habitats in the world. The deforestation of this habitat is devastating to not only humans but all the different species that live there. Our world's rainforests are home to many different types of unique life. Logging and farming are two big problems that are causing this tragedy. Building roads and buildings adds on to this problem too. Natural disasters such as forest fires are also one of the leading causes of deforestation of rainforests. Not only humans but nature are the reasons deforestation continues. And as it continues, we will lose more and more of one of our most biodiverse habitats in the world. Impacts on humans.
Impacts on humans. The trees getting cut down causes loss of species. Increase of diseases. Oh, that wasn't me. More people are entering the forests to cut them down, so they're getting exposed to new diseases and they're dying. Forests are now prone to catching fire because the trees are getting cut down and the fire is killing and hurting towns. Increase of carbon dioxide in the air, which raises the temperature and makes it hot for people to live in. In some area, it makes it so that there's less food for the villages to eat or towns because they eat the fruit that are on the trees and they collect the bugs that live in the forests. And the bugs that come off the trees they eat, but they're not there anymore because the forests are all gone.
Hello? Hi, Mom.
Laws and politics.
Are you there?
In Brazil, there are laws that encourage deforestation of the Amazon. Taking down forests in different areas increases the demand for farming and land. That is why some places encourage it because the demand and want for land and farm is large and in charge. In the past years, the amount of deforestation has increased, and the governments don't know what went wrong. Brazil's government is working hard to try and improve their laws to have an improvement on their environment and economy.
Technology! Okay, here we go.
The technology for rainforest deforestation can either help or hurt us, depending on what it is. New technology could help us because it could clear the forest in larger scale, where places where they want to clear the forest in larger scale. But if they don't, then it's bad because it would take down too many trees at once. Like if they came up with a new bulldozer or something.
Erosion. So, the deforestation affects the water cycle and the rainfall cycle. Rainfall, full, didn't mean to say that. It also affects the surface albedo, ALBEDO. Because, well, the surface albedo is the reflectivity amount, I guess, of sunlight, like when it hits it and how it reflects. It's like the measurement. That's how it affects it. Most of the energy that converts the surface moisture into water vapor comes from the sun's radiational heating. So, the energy depends on the surface albedo, ALBEDO. The vegetation absorbs more heat than bare soil does. Thick vegetation, like thermal currents, take up the moisture into the atmosphere, creating rain. So the lack of vegetation affects how much rain there will be. Also, rainfall is affected when forest clearing fires take place. That creates like air pollution. Sorry. Tiny particles. Oh, there I am. Tiny particles called, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. Okay. Aerosols. I'll spell that for you. Okay. AEROSO. What? SOLS. With areas with a lot of smoke clouds, droplets from around the aerosols, but they may never grow as rainfall. Mm-hmm. This also causes burned areas prone to dryness, which creates more fires in the future. You know. So. Food webs and food chains.
Impacts on water. In this picture, you see the effects of rainforest deforestation because you can see how the excess soil flows into the waterways after the trees have been cut down. This causes more sediment in the water, making it unclean.
Effects on water. Deforestation highly affects water. It also affects the local community around the forest being affected. Deforestation causes excess soil to run into streams and waterways. This means that the local community can't be sure that they are getting clean water. Popcorn, Natalie.
Having unclean water also affects agriculture. The rainforest acts as a sort of sponge, which provides water regularly for farming. Popcorn, Gabby.
My battery is low. Okay, where are we? Without the rainforest, it becomes more difficult to farm, with such a decrease in water.
So what do you think of rainforest deforestation?
I think rainforest deforestation is a very terrible thing. The rainforest is very important because it has a lot of creatures, has a lot of habitats for these creatures' homes, and people are just destroying anything they do, and it's just a really bad thing.
State your name for the record.
My name is Cole Martin Gamber.
Thank you.
That's my dad's name. Here.
Steph left.
Here we go.
This is not about This is about science.
With such a decrease in water. Hi.
Bloopers for a reason. What do you want me to be doing?
Wait, you're filming this right now?
Yes.
Natalie.
Okay, here we go. The technology. Oh crap. Okay.
Oh my god, are we filming this right
Well, we were.
now? That was gross.
Natalie, can I grab a cheese?
Hi. Okay. This is natural cycles. You know what I'm saying?
Same. Dad, come on.
So,
It's fine.
no.
Yeah, leave it alone.
Okay.
Impacts on humans. Loss of species.
I have to
Trees-
be eating something.
Yep. All right, go.
I really have to.
It's not. You have to.
It's happening.
Is that Jesus?